oworumi orwo bonero omubururu obwaterwa ebizuba okutora n'abajwecerwa b'eminyeto hamwe na n'abakuzire omuribanda akaruru akeminyeto ko katererwa hambondo.
Akarura kazamwe mvyo na keminyeto y'abishiki kandi akakaba kesimbirwa abishiki babiri Fortunate Azire owa NRM na Ancho Muhanji otine Kigombe. Akakatandika kacererirwe kano kuraba hageto kwikaha mwanya gwaterwa hakaruru gabagarya mino ga ruguru. Polisi niyo yija kutereza eminyeto eji bwanyuma yo butikirizana kandi aba bashobora cya leta hembereji.
I'm supposed to be here for you or not supposed to be here because you're not even a delegate. But how did you even enter here? How did you even enter here? You.
Twamara futaho munda ageyine babarya hero batsubira futahamu bakabareta hakasisa murungutse me futaha futera karu to avuza ahagetke batwikiza kugira ngo tutahimu twine bucime cyone kutwikiza futera karu imumuro bahi bakutuzibira futera karu cyabashiryaho zireta basurukare batuyambaho bagafutera karu
ebintu abantu bingi abatari bayusi bayejumira omukaruru keminyeto kwenda kuremesa abana kuronda umwebembezi wabo ahabwa ebigenderwa byabo bonka abantu kandi bitaganyire eminyeto aho kushanga ngo bambareta abana batari batezi bakaruru kugira ngo bafiringe imyanya y'abana babatari batera karuru mazina gabandi.
Bwanyuma akarura kakagumza mukaterwa kandi kasingowe bendera ya NRM Fortunate Azire no bururu igana 9 na mushanju ahari igana 8 nabona.
Fortunate Ana
ninjiza kusima security niyo yatuyamba mukaruraka kuri yabetaruho ishaheze ninjire bitukuru byashirwe konga security nisima DPC nisima RDC abagezaho kuteka yira karyabo kurira karukitu ukaterwa
ohira karuraka obundi bururu akaba kekuro n'abatsigazi bwaterwa mu businge
yo nasinga no bururu abana busatu kandi unanye simbe nawe cyarkundaho bihayuzuro cyanyereka no kwetera weti yayitera kandi cyo nasima abantu umukanya kace babagambi abana basatu mu kwija nazo zabe mbabazi
gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe
umuribanda aho murimba rasite okutera karuru kabakozi ahabwa kansara bw'abakazi kwatandika cherezi bwanyuma y'abatezi okwesharinga obwe bari kwakanisa register eyabanejuzubwa okutera karuraka ahabwa mbara city.
Akarura kankaterwa abantu bake abari kumanywa ka delegates kandi nubegitiro mu labor unions ababaye sharinga bwanyuma yo kushanga amazina gabo gatari mu register.
Bizimba sharinga registers obundo shanga register mu union ina abantu bakorenga 20 kandi union yakwetega abantu 20 complaining of petition even we have the petition bashamu register bagenda bagitereza yije ni abantu 20 every union bagisprayinga after a week nyekiro Sasa tutere izoba shahemwe hashobora register amazina gona bagihiremo
amazina twena tuturwa register abatari mu register mwembere so mukoni na candidate
Bashaba chairman wa Electoral Commission Justice Simon Byabakama okutaho mu nshonga zabo.
You find that a union submitted 20 people but you find only 5. You find 2. Where did they drop the rest? The general secretaries submitted those names and you find that the names which were submitted are not in the register. So, and we find that we have our candidates of interest whom we want to vote.
Kurugira haba abantu besharinga register yibarete kozirwe nyekiro kandi obwo shemerewe kubane ihebwayo hari kuboresha hana na munana kwikayizo bari yo kutera karuru.
But there na register zao by canvas kora it is hard to get a final register. Final register tungirege hijo rebagyo. So niyo twali tunakozesa koma. Of course abaire mu complaint niyo tindi mu register baitu abagamba it is not electoral commission ekola register ekyo. Okotali mu register complaint onagitwala mu labor union yawe habwa kotali nkaha mu register. So baitu okuma tukugenda maiso abandi bangire okuma abandi baikitiza koma. So for those who are allowed to vote bakoma.
Akarura kakesimbirwa mu jika Jessica na Kebirunjo Olivia bw'abakazi kandi abashija ntaremo bamuhayira Ronald na Tindu Wens George Willy. Erizoba nabwo haba okutera akaruru ko kutorana ba kansara bw'abantu bino burema mbiri yabo abakuzire hamwe n'eminyeto. Eitwaza kugira umwanya go kutera makaruru ba kansara bw'abantu bino burema mbiri yabo asimwe UNICEF bw'abakazi na Tami UNICEF bw'abashija barambatine cha kansa. Akaba kansara b'abantu bakuzire haja bas kazi bw'abashija na Kinogo Shokostens kona bw'abakazi nabo barabambatine cha kansa. Gasha kwa Edison Chinene.
Edison Chinene twazo mu district ya Chenjojo box rukaga 28 izirimo bukonji obwabesimbira hantebe ya gatano na nabakansara abarkwija kujwekera amagombora hamwe na town council zayacirwa office y'ebyo bururu kandi zayacirwa orukura okuteza karuru mu district ya Chenjojo.
Alex Inebyona mukuru byo kuteza karuru mu district ya Chenjojo yatuma isangwe boxes za leta zona ziri mu mbera nungi kandi yatugambira no kuzira icyo myanya yo kuterwa mu karuru.
Box zona zahika twatunge box rukaga 28 ziri na polling station zitu kandi twamara kuziverifyinga twazitegwire turukusetinge motoka kugira ngo zitware mu field. Nibizija kurara ha sub counties. We have already beefed security ha sub counties.
Abantu bashabo kwebembeza usinje babantu batorana bebembezi babo izo bari nyencha kare.
Tutandika shahemu yakasheshe haika habantu 10 bo kuwitnessinga the opening of polls kureba boxes yazibiri zisibire byokolesa yabiriho. Then abantu 10 bahikaho ntuyigura okutera karuru kandi tandika kutera karuru okuhika ahitura amalire y'abantu abayije kutera karuru shaha 10 zahiki 10 umusero kale oturwa tutiro turweta on election constable na yemerere nyuma yo muntu wabaliho bayisha 10 unless chaba revised kongana kwetu chine
ebintu bino bizere kurungi motoka bagiresire bagisubira seals na mabox gona twagakebera gona ko kugarugena mu magombora gago na polling station zones twin na nyingi abantu bayimuke ka bagena polling stations batera karuru wetu kila muntu balindo businga bunyakuloni bulindo abantu.
Chenjojo district ina magombora 31 kandi ine myanya yo kuterera mu karuru rukaga 28. Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.
Daniel Bingana obwo akaruru akukutorana abebembezi aba government zebyanga kasigizeyo eshaha bushaha abebyo kwirinda umurembo rwa Hoima byayongerwamo amani okurigera RCC urembo rwa Hoima Badru Mugabi yagera ngo okongera amano byo kwirinda bacikora okwenda kugira karuru kihorere.
RCC Warembo orwa Hoima Badru Mugabi arikugamba no munyamakuru weitu yajango byo kwerinda byayongera amani nkaguma ha muringo ogukutebekana sakaruru kihorere.
Twetekanize kandi twinabingi twegere mu karuru kitwa kamara bitongere mu kubani tuterekereza no ntongera mu amani mu karuru kana kitugenda kubani tutera ikiryanyinkia ebiro kweza 22 January mwaka wa 2025.
Badru yashaba batezi bakaruro butikereza kuguza karuru kabo ngo habo kubanci cyumba gisobuhereza.
Bulira rundi kwe bulira kintu kibe muno abo kuba hati uborekera kuba nokiriza abantu koma bugabe koma koso bugabe bwabo koma bato bateyire mu virus yo kuba niba koma rundi nibagura akaruru kintu kiba kibe muno akuba tugaruka mu service delivery in most cases abantu baba bateyire mu akasente rundi baguzira bururu babanza kutabara rundi kusera sente zabo kandi aho nikireta compromise mu quality of service.
Entebe ya meya w'urembo rwa Hoima ni hakanura speaker wa council Isingoma Edward Otine Chigombe, meya Brian Kaboyo wa NRM, wa Nup Rashid Tumsime wa PFF Wycliffe Tumsime, Dan Keija wa UPC na Mustafa Kahuma Otine Chigombe. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto murebi witu wa TV Sto Murunji ni nkusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webarena no kutorana kureba TV West tushire mu makuru agacencwire konka utushize tubase kubantu umura ukace tujagaruka n'amakuru agandi.
agarukurataho nagakushikibwaho.
Movit Relaxer Cream, brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
agarukurataho okwetebekanisiza akaruru ka nyencakare ebyo kwerinda umurembo hoyuma byayongerwa mu amani.
Tugenda kuba tudeployinga abasirikale basatu buli polling station.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, rolex, sumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manyabino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36 36 33.
Kurukubujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe nabana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note.
From the lush highlands of Ankole, Uganda, where the earth and the air nurture every seed, comes a coffee like no other. Each bean is carefully grown and handpicked by rural farmers, sustaining the land and empowering our communities. At Ankole Coffee Producers Cooperative Union, SCPCU, we bring you the perfect roasted coffee cup in a meticulous process from the roastery to your cup with a bold, aromatic, smooth taste. As you savor our finest flavors, our farmers and youth are empowered by SCPCU's community initiatives. Taste the difference of Ankole Coffee, a naturally bold product of SCPCU. For more info, call 800-300-533.
Norono mwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurumo businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel nithoburaro mwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoramu amajenyi agaburikika oine business meeting leta abantu bawe om conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanse ebyokurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimu echo kunywe cyekikachona echo rukwenda ebyokwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 075 tusanje asungine n'akatare kakatozo akashozi kabiharwe omuri Mbarara City.
wagitwa konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe nawe yaringe byoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo mu muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine iyo ni shara keke tukazakunyumbo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nyukushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Welcome home to entertainment, to Wi-Fi everywhere, to high-speed internet, to security, to first-class support. To convenience. Welcome home to MTN WakaNet. Superior internet for every home. Visit www.mtn.co.ug/WakaNet. Welcome home. Together, we are unstoppable.
Emyaka mingi ombazi gwito gwa mino gwa Agacencwire na Fresh Up gubire no gutereza kurunja munonga kubasa kurinda mino no kwetantara kunuka kanu na hati gumano kozesa Agacencwire na Fresh Up kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba ryona. Agacencwire na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karunja munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa Agacencwire na Fresh Up dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga hichira za supermarkets n'amaduka gakuri hihi okwetorora ihanga ryona. Agacencwire na Fresh Up ni gombazi gonka ogwo kurinda mino gitu.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemererwa minji nitutabarusi y'abantu mwena umwaka musya ogwe2026 kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tucinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera Kenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize ogwe2025 okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga neinga not mushanju ina itano
Omuzaire otaferwa mu gishogo St Kana International Secondary School erukushangwa kilomita 10 haruguto rw'ishaka Kasese Kashozi Butare ryine byone byo mwegera kwetenga kushongo ko micwe n'ubwegesi ishomero mixed boarding on A level kandi bina bashomeza batendekirwe munonga nibashomeza arts na sciences, computer training, agriculture na farming bina stocked library na modern equipped science laboratories ebyemezana mbwenu bobembira amashomero gona omuri Bushenyi district abeje nubareberwaje munonga kandi school fees nizibasubwa buri omwe registration yatandikira ishomero buri zoba kutandika nakasheshe kusyo mwabazi tera no tumushanju 5 kinana nina 18 fear God and excel.
Yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi kandi twagumizamo na Agacencwire gicwika ca kabiri abesimbira hantebe y'ubwa meya ubwo Rembo Football Club buryo umwe yarara ategerizo bahanguzi izo birya nyinshi kare.
Entebe simbira abantu bashata bari mu Reverend Kintuwire Muhanga oyisimbira tine kibina cyo butegeshi cyona Albert ahebwo kwa serebendera NRM na Sylvia Chunde na watine kibina cyo butegeshi
ba coordinators bange baloho ba monitors banga barabana baraba mbikaro no mu rubuga rwona nabo balo kandi kire cyanyencha imanyo businguzi bulamunaitwe
ntabe influenced by anybody rundi ntaikara meeting kungamba ngo izo yesimbe kikaba kitekerezo cyange cyo kwesimba nkasitemea tugenzera mu campaigning tukora ebisani tubazana abantu tukora house to house tugenda radio programs tugenda mu drives baitu obururu at the end of the day it is not a personal initiative.
Abashata batino wori kwitira acara kandi Reverend Amhanga no yabiremeye wo kubanza wo remba takasingirwe mayor ho Edison Riyongo mu karuru ke 2021
kandi abantu nibaneza kumpa karuru okwebembera urubuga runo nka city mayor nyine kwikiriza mu karuru kandi kajya kubaka obusinge akwa tubanizeho obusinge mu karuru kandi no mugaso gukoma karuru mutara mutabanguka so nyine kwikiriza kwinga abantu baitu baija petaba mu karuru akobusinge kandi bakome abebembeze abo benyini abaratwara afotpotro toro na region yona maiso
we Albert ahebwa no speaker wa kanso yo Remboru kandi Silvia kabahombaza we butaba mukuru abo Rembo n'urwo rumwe
baitu batahwamani to bakome nyo muresi ndum bakome koma kwa nyencha mwize mu nkome muresi ndum tindugiremu
nuwo wiro tugenda kukoma aba beheire kwesimba nkanyoka limutagamba korora ngo tuyihamu abebembezi abarabembera ensi yaitu kushigikira manifesto zabo zibakora batugambiye abantu baitu manifesto zaitu nebintu turugenda kora abantu baitulengereho ga actually tukozeza marathon turabiremwe emisinde nyingi muno korora twaeka mu ward yezo 25
Orembo Fort Potter wina abantu emitwari 13 tukashanje bitanana na mwenda division zibiri za ward 25 nibyariga na 96 kurugira rubaro rwakoze rwe 2024 amakuru agasha kwa Jonathan Singwire
webare Jonathan Singwire twazo mu district ya Bushinyi umubiri gwa Reverend Bernard Mushabe urugiro magaragenseji gwa letwa akashozi bweranyanji okumurebaho eryamuhero
enaku n'engungu nibyo byabaha akabungo bweranyanji bwayima yo kuretomberwa Reverend Bernard Mushabe oferire Kampala kandi abira Assistant Secretary ahaba Western Kole Diocese. Reverend Bernard afire nyuma y'abazyo kandi ayisiro burire bwa kansa y'ekine aferire murago omuri Kampala. Kate Tushabe omukazi we yasima omushija we ahabo kutambura nabo mu magara g'obushwere no kuba empagiye kayabo. Yagambo honko muntu obire nakwatanisa n'abantu bona kandi yasimwa ahaba umwuga mukuru gwatira abyo bwegese ombureberezwa Western Kole
cyo kubanza abena kwatanisa n'abakicazi ba primary na secondary umurundo murinji icya kabiri abena menya policy z'ubureberezi azita neza ministry of education
naija kuzikorwa katano omurikasana kitagata omurishema gasha kwa Onesimus ndia nabo
agona makuru g'obusasi kandi mukama omberwa Reverend Bernard aguhereze cyumuro kirungi ishenjere rizuba binamiro mbergo biraryo myishengero kazi owa district ya Ngora oguyasima yasimwa ahabwa kurentunguka
Waima yishenjero okumara kiro mukahumuro nyuma abazokera kati parliament abesiro mu rufitamo rwaho naho urwashtamira izuba rwabaragenderire kwinamira mu birugo wabi yari mu ishenjero kazuwangora district honorable Isodo Apolot akafe biri ko munamushanje ko kubanza ku 2026 aha Kampala hospital umubiri mugenzi gwa yakirwa speaker w'ishenjero honorable Anita Anet Amongi no muhwezi we Thomas Tayebwa aharshahi na zakasheje.
Honorable Stella Sodo, before coming to Parliament, was a very active person in the community of Ngora and Teso in mobilizing farmers. Even during that time of NADS, she formed so many groups where women were able to form groups of agriculture. And she's one of those persons in Teso who made women to get involved in agriculture.
So I'm talking about somebody that I knew as well. So I ask that I be given room to talk about my colleague.
Yes, not the election. Talk about Stella.
Honorable Speaker, do you now probably want to speak on my behalf? I beg to be guided because I'm seconding the motion. And I am speaking about my colleague who I knew, whose heart I knew, whose aspirations I know. So except if somebody wants to speak on my behalf, I ask that I be given room to speak, as long as what I'm saying is not unparliamentary.
Gwashizibwo murobe kandi kuzabasha hamnana zihangwe ishenjero ryashitama hano ko kutandika ku mugambo nko umuntu abiri nakunda kwitwazaje.
Most of our constituencies, people don't work together with women members of parliament. And I'm very happy that the two work together, even on the issue of acquiring the tractors. They moved to these offices together. They were pushing for all these issues to be achieved together. That is a good sign of unity. As it is written in the Bible, and yet she was also a fellow Christian, under Ecclesiastes 3, that there is a time for everything. We were born, that was a time for each of us to be born. And now we are seeing that it is the time for Isodo. She has died. But it's a humbling moment, and all of us, each of us, to just reflect on that day when we are going to be brought wherever we shall be. That what is the world going to remember about you?
Honorable Apolot yasimwa habwo kundi ihangariye n'entungo ko mucyanga cye hamwe n'ihangariye no kutwariza hamwe.
Isodo was a mother. She kept on calling me her daughter and told me, my firstborn, my daughter is called Joan, and I love you because you are just as humble as her. Each time she saw me, she said, my daughter. She was so passionate about agriculture, Madam Speaker.
Omugenzi Apolot naija kuzikwa nyinshi kare omuringora district gashoka dimo muhumuza.
Omubwiro ubu obwihanga riyono rutora n'abebembezi babejo mu matendekera higuru bashaba bagenzi babo okwirinda okuza omu butabanguko abantu begitira omu kibina ekiri kumanywa nka Inter University Guild Leaders Network ekiri kugita abebembezi babeji omu matendekera higuru.
Omurukiko rubagira aha omurimbarara abebembezi babejo mu matendekero ga Rurengo rwa higuru bashabe emyeto bagenzi babo okwehara okuza mu butabanguko.
Eminyeto tushazire kugira ngo twumo businge tutakaba nito twashisho businge tukatandika cyo kintu umwavo rwahurire tutakagiro nkaru twazo nkaru hatukaru nakararje zagumana kuri kinga ningashimutugesa abantu kundana
ndenda kusimahanga kugira ngo umwe burugireje kandi mugabamwe bagiremo utabanguko bwene kwisha kujumirira ubutabanguko ningeshito kwita violence garama mana bantu kugira ngo bakakubona bagezeho kurinda amagaraje no kwerwanaho otera karukaho musinje kuza atari
fellow Ugandans, now that the presidential elections is done, we urge you to continue voting the LC5s, mayors, and many other candidates that you're supposed to be voting. But as you do this, do it with peace, because Uganda has been a peaceful country for so long, and we'll be happy to see you maintain the same spirit of peaceful elections.
Urukiko rwahikamu n'abamwumva rukora byo kwerinda kandi emyete yejukibwangu niyo nyensi yihangeri.
Therefore, you have a very big stake in the development of our country.
That's when we join the forces and we commission, when we are becoming soldiers, call it commissioning. We swear to protect the country. You get it? We swear to protect the country. So violence is our job. That is our duty too. We defend the country to make sure that Uganda is peaceful.
Inter-University Guild Leaders Network kikatandukwaho mukuru w'ihanga n'ekigenderero cyo kwegesa emyeto okundi ihanga ryabo no kubegesa eby'obwebembezi birungi. Gasha kwa Elias Rutugusa.
Elias Rutugusa twazagaruka tumureho tugaruka n'amakuru agandi.
The management of Plus 2 High School in Bushenyi informs the parents, the learners and the general public that first term 2026 will commence on the 10th of February 2026. The office is open from Monday to Friday for those that wish to seek admissions in Senior 1, Senior 2, Senior 3 and Senior 5. The school is located in Nyakabirizi, Bushenyi district. For more information, please contact the head teacher on 0772 006 426 or 0703 069 869, or you can call the MD on 0782 489 111.
Katochi katochi eino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugerizo babantu banje tibarigaruka kugirena kwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi eino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi eina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Setmark, I love Setmark. Nituyeje Setmark, tushomaje Setmark, tulalaje tulemekaje Setmark. A school is good.
Twine Setmark elikushangwa omukagate Karengo Kirhura district. Setmark elikushangwa Lyantondo Town Council akashozi kyamiyonga. Nitwakira beji abojona bishiki kurga nasare kwika ahachamushajo. Setmark twebembezo kureberaje abana okuriya n'amagaraga bugona. Setmark ntwegesaje abana tushisaje abana on first grades. Setmark nutfayo aha michwe y'abana talents no kuskiringa abana.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya lanchi eya kitaka. Lanchi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Lanchi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Lanchi bwe bulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliito ze tulina ku Global Paint, ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
na hato tukikiriza ngo urika shemereye kutandika kwega hacori inzira ngo abaze yamero ruju ahari Aliana Junior School twehiriye kutebekanisa no kwegesa umwana wawe tukamushomesa kandi tukamugunjura kurungi twine nasare na primary ahambuga nkuru zishomero rwebihurosero korano rya town council Mbarara City abashomesa bitu nemiria abana nibareberwa kurungi kandi byo kwerinda bimemize shonda zona nangu nebisere byishomero nibasibwa buryomwe okwenda kumanya burukiraho 0 mukaga mushanju 9 na mwenda 20 na mushanju 9 na mushanju na 0 mushanju ina mukaga 9 ni 3 mushanju na 8 9 nemwe.
Aliana Junior School, a great start. Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding eri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyo bwegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwa munsi niya yo kubanza okwiko munsi niya yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera note mushanji 2 ashatu na mwenda 21 23 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning rya mshungu nsako yakuretera umucago kwetaba mu kazano kandi ukasingura ibihembo nyamwinje bwa nyuma yo kubika kumara imyezi 3 tari hayo bika kutandikira imitwari 10 osingura ibihembe biri mente ibihembe bindi biri muza water tanks smartphones embuzi emfariso za brangiti enkoko n'ekitire cyanyamurungi kandi okusingura na AGM obwinji bwo bukonje bworagure niko n'emica yawe yo kusingura ereyongera rya mshungu sako bino buhereza bwa business loans school fees loans, agriculture loans, boda n'izindi nyinji. Rya mujungu sako erashangwa rya mujungu Nyakasharara Kaharo omuri Kabale kandi ina mataji omuri Kahondo Maziba Buhara Kamwezi gwa Matunguru Kigonji Kabale Rubaya hari rya Kalimira Rubanda na Rwentobo tungamo esimu note mushanju 2 anana mushanju 58 nkaga na mwenda.
Empowering girls of today and tomorrow. Welcome to Chivura Girls Secondary School, the premier girls secondary school located in the heart of Ibanda town near the Diocese of Northwest Ankole Ibanda. On the foundation of the Anglican faith, our school offers a supportive and inclusive learning environment where girls can grow, explore, and discover their full potential. From academics to arts, sports to leadership, we provide a holistic education that prepares our girls for success in all aspects of life. Apply now and empower her to become the woman of substance she is meant to be. With courage, we march to progress. Contact 077 693 1113.
Shuku Vocational School eri kushangwa Shuku Town Council omurishema bakuretera obuhereza obwebyo bwegese bwa senior obwo murembe manya birishomero ryo mutano eryabojo nabishiki nibashomesa arts hamwe na sciences na A-level kandi bine day hamwe na boarding nibaha bursaries abana bine taranta hamwe nabo abari koraje omukibina bine fully stocked library computer lab kandi timu yabo yo mupira ino mukago na Crystal Palace eyabungereza. Shuku Vocational School ebishare byayo nibibasikira buryomwe kandi binabashomesa abatendekirweje leta umwana wawe agunjuke tera note mushanju 2 nkaga na mwenda note 8 52. Shuku Vocational School, education for prosperity.
At Advanced International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
St. Julian High School Gayaza twinira umwana wawe ubwegese bw'omutindo okurwa musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga abwa arts na sciences abeji nibagobero mu laboratory yitu eri mu buri kimwe na library yo mutindo eri kushongera abana okika kurunje bigezo twine nemishomo yebyemikono abeji bari kwekwatiramo bakatungo kumanyira hamwe n'emyoga yo kwebisaho manya music dance and drama hamwe n'ebyemizano nitubitahesira okuretera beji okuguma bina magara marunji no kweyesiga ebyombeko byitu byombekirwe kurunji okurinda jabeji no kubaho mwanya gobugwaje gwo kushomera mu kurunji nk'abaryo muka turiyo ntwandika beji okurugo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga tera esimu noti umushanje mukaga atano ni itano noti mwenda 13 ninga noti umushanje inamushanje noti itano 30 noti umushanje.
You used to tell me that I don't make you happy. All that time you would be complaining. I'll call you every day, yeah yo, baby don't know.
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubi Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100*21# and select daily or use the My MTN app. When we talk together, we are unstoppable.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor. So rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
St. Michael High School Rugazi nishamere rurunji eryo mutindo kandi riri kwesimisa nishamere rya gavumenti ahansi ya USE rya musinje gwekerezia nerya dena boarding nirya chira bojo nabishchi nilishomesa science na arts ona A-level bine library yo mutindo computer lab ninunji eri mu buri kimwe classrooms eziri kumara kandi zo mutindo nibashomesa bari kutomu nkora nka curriculum ensya okweri kwegesa bine projects nkorutoche okurise mbuzi empunu kandi ombyemizano tino uri kubingana aha district abashomesa batendekirweje ebishere byishomero nibibasibwa bashanje Rugazi Rubirizi ninga baterera asimu noti mushanje 288 22
Hey! Makobore High School Rukunjiri ernishomero eryabojo bonka eri barukushoma barukurarayo bine ona A-level nibegesa arts na sciences bine computer na science laboratories
ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurunji ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurunji ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball otebirwe nebya music dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi go bureberezi obwa Kigezi diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe
mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanje notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanje 5 nkaga na mushanje anana mwenda nshanje ni 3 ninga noti mushanje 82 nkaga na mukaga hatano ni 40
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Uruka yugomba tumabwa bashubuzi kandi omugacencura gicweka citu cahamuheru abebembezi mu district ya Bushenya basinjira Karuru bashabira abatura ba Bushenyi na munonga abatezi ba Karuru obutahumura babanu babashaba obuhereza ebyona bagambirwe erizoba rya nyuma bazyo aha mukoro ogwo kujaguza obusinguzi obwa Haji Idi Basaja baraba ogubire ahari St Kagwa mu district ya Bushenyi.
Abebembezi ba Bushenyi basinjira Karuru bashabira abatura ba Bushenyi na munonga batezi ba Karuru okubakora tazaba kubashaba obuhereza
nyombe n'abagambire ngo bantu obadindu tuzakubanduye n'obuhereza kandi ngizo wanyu ebyabe mubashasha mwabingamba nimbumanya abantu haro nimbumanya amashanyarazi yadomo amarwaro iki abanyakabirizi nimbumanya ababunyarji nimbumanya abishaka mwena nimbumanya
nitwisha kumaha okagira flag bearers bona ngo kubatakire n'icyo ntisha kubahagira turukwisha kurgawa echa kabiri tubaraganisha kubakorera kandi twagambire hamwe koko narebo koye niyagamba nitwisha korera hamwe okureba ngo buhereza bwayiko muri Bushenyi
tweraganise kama members of parliament amuruzire tuzakorera hamwe kandi nabitube twese imbere nabo nitubeshengereza muyije tukorere hamwe eji district neyitu kandi ntwija kujugumamo oba politics zuwaho oba zuro oba tuzuru.
Uwabiraho Minister wa Government z'ebyanga Professor Tarsis Kabwegire ahabwira abasinjira Karuru okureba ngo bayegera hari batahi babo abatuye mu parliamenti.
Noza kukota naba abo binokana nabo noza korana n'abana basya bo kwatanisa nabo mu myaka 5 ushanga bafite bingi abo kwatanisa nabo narushanga n'abandi abatakwatanisa niyo bakanye.
Professor Kabwegire kumwabi tugambire karebi to tukata kubizamu okuno murro ngongabwe no butwakura beremu ntubamanyisangu ntuzakubakora kandi sazeremu nkaba Bushenyi gureta muhati ntwenda gukora ikijegere exia ekirukuza kumara emyaka 20 kitaka kutukire.
Haji Idi Basaja baraba araganisa abataka ba Bushenyi munaza kutancara hakusiye myanya yona amashanyarazi
ekigambo twito amashanyarazi n'inkwenda zishoro mu municipality ninja kekura abo kuba amashanyarazi kikakuba gakoze ubwezo lines twatuze extendingire ngenda mu nyetegerezeje noza kukora amaduka ariyeje mahanda mukore muzasaruni mukore mu restaurant hoteli mukore za wedding mugerentasi.
Bushenyi eine ba MP banaboronzurwe okujwekera abantu mu parliamenti amakoraga gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.
Bare Abraham Muganzi ubureberezi bwa Ankore erizuba bahereza abantu 20 biharani okubahwera okongera hantasiyo mu makagabo abatunge biharani n'abakorga mu busabadi kono bwa Kanywamizi mu district y'Isinjiro
gwakorerwa muri Kanywamizi akanisa muri district y'Isinjiro ebiharani byakwasibwa sabadikon obusabadikon wa Kanywamizi.
Work hard and meet the time I've spent in the ministry. No Nukushaba Nachi, Namuza deliverance. I have not seen any person who has come and packed a V8, but Mushabara Kabua Gumzu. No. Abakugwa numba mai. Tuze gukora. Tuze gukora. Imizumu esente zigibinga. We koko bagiye imizumu eteneta.
Atwawana ho abantu mukono kaba basima mununga kanisa basima mununga. Mwenu kandi kitu kabebembezi begombora ntubaraganisi. Zakora nimwe aho kiri kwetemisa hone. Umara twetere yakuriho support yo nimwe kwenda hagomboro tujibahereza.
Ebirungi ebyoyi no talebyima mutayiwa kandi okubasa kuvumuhereza. Akire hati kutwagiziro mugisha go kutandika ece kitongore. Twayishanga ngo ece kitongore kibasa gukora network yo kutunga sente zo kuhereza abantu bitu amasiko. Kubaha hope esente ezo kubasa kureta obwingani kwesi wade kandi nyabuza titkonka kana mizi iki kikabaho kita abantu tushita mu kuba kashika kana mizi vocation tunis nitwe pataningi na kwesi wade
abebembezi bisingiro necyaro cya Kabuyanda tebaburaho abebembezi abargabureberezi bankore nogira ngo ebyona nibabikora okutungura ebyanga no kwera eminyeto okubona ecyo gukora.
My name is Joseph Majezi from Ankole Diocese, the Health Department. I work as the Diocesan Health Coordinator. This afternoon we are privileged to be in Kanyamizi Archdeaconry, which is found in Isingiro district, where we have been launching a program that is aimed at skilling women and girls of the disadvantaged area that come because of the fact that they have not been able to attain formal education fully.
So we are here trying to implement this program under Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation. We have partnered with the Brown and Mills Foundation in the UK. And what we are trying to do is ensure that these resources that have been given to us impact a greater number of people in our community by efficiently utilizing them. Kandi tutantire nabishi 20, we shall end up with 100.
Obukuru free during your free time agamahanga agatungukira mutakora kintu cyumwe ubasa kwa nokora umurumo kandi ukubasa kongeraho na nugundi ukubasa kongeraho entasya abyo nokora.
Abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon Omrisingiro.
Senior Senyomo Gideon twazo makurage byemizano timu yo muruka ogwaka mukuzi niyo esingire chikopo chambara City North Division Mayors Cup echo murundo gwa kabiri erukusinga abarharo na penalty na harishatu
association kandi ateji ya second edition izanwe timu zikumi na mukaga kandi kuzanwa wards 13 hamwe na associations boda associations ishatu mererwa yo yabanze kunyanjuru yana ukusime meya kandi kushabengu eche kitariwo
umako gukwiza Mayors Cup eza kwego muri kachika hati nimwe abakumuya abekiyanza abakambuza borharo uza kwiza mutahire kachika kuko abanharwe abakachika biza kumuya na nimwe muza kwiza mbataya ile
nimpega namnongo bamisha kusho kwa kumzamuri meya witu nimpega ngo program zone zirabeho town grad tukakora twaheza atsikarizo kuhereza service abakuzenda so nimpega gukora nimwe ahibara gume mwanyendera gume mumpukeho Boda Association kandi ate
akuraganda by'emizano omizano y'empaka za UEFA Champions League zandwe ekire kya bushesheri izuba time ya Manchester City eyonjire okukora kubi bwanyuma yo kusingwa aba Bodo Glimt na goli 3 aharyemwe konkayo Arsenal rumune koraje Arsenal sinjire Inter Milan na goli 3 aharyemwe
to a game.
Agongo makuru Agacencwire agutoba basa kusyaho ekireki kandi wabanaga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sunday Brian orumo rwo bonero itwendezo kurara kurungi.
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 20,000 zonka yandikisha heji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash asimu yawe abwa shiringi 20,000 zonka rero otegerezo muncha ubwo